Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Vim in VS Code. But first, if you like videos like this, videos where I show you how to install and set up software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So, setting up Vim in VS Code is actually quite easy. All we need to really do is install this one extension. So I'm going to go to my extensions here. It's these blocks on the corner here. And I'll click on that. And I'm going to search for Vim, okay? And I see this Vim emulation for Visual Studio Code. I want to install that. Okay, once it's installed, I can close that out, and you'll see that I have this block cursor now, right? So I can, move up and down with J and K, left and right with L and H, and do a lot of the Vim movements that I would do in the editor Vim, but in VS Code. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'm hoping this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.